Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. Guys, there's this new thing feature I discovered on Canva and I wanted to show you guys how it works. It's just like Chat GPT. It works just like Chat GPT and it's called Magic Write. Chat GPT, it's AI tool, artificial intelligence tool. You can use it for your social media. The Magic Write, you can use it for your social media accounts, for your captions, for your posts. So let's go into it. First of all, you come into Canva and then you now go to Docs. From Docs, you're going to start writing, and then you click on this plus sign, and then you click on Magic Write. So now let's ask Magic Write. Let's assume we have a skincare account on Instagram, or that's our business, or um, coconut oil business. So let's ask, um, write 5 tips how to achieve a glowing skin with coconut oil. Okay, then you press enter. Let's wait for it to generate for us. Meanwhile, if your network is slow, just as like mine here, it might take a while to download to generate the content. This ChatGPT is available for every account, including a free account. As you can see, I'm on a free account here. But if you are on an educational account, you won't have access to it. So you can always use your free account to access it. Let's wait, it's still generating. Yes, guys, see the content. It's a Magic Write generated for us. I said apply coconut oil directly to your skin. Coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer and can help protect your skin from environmental damage. Use it as a gentle makeup remover. Coconut oil is an effective and natural way to remove dirt and makeup without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Add it to your bath. Adding a few drops of coconut oil to your bath can help protect your skin and lock in moisture. Use it as a lip balm. Coconut oil can be used to help keep your lips soft and moisturized. Use it as a gentle exfoliator. Coconut oil can be used as a gentle exfoliator to help remove dead skin cells and keep your skin looking healthy and glowing. So there we go, guys. Our content has been generated for us. So all we need to do now is to copy it and then maybe go and rephrase and then check for plagiarism in case we are sending it to a client or something like that. Meanwhile, we'll just copy it now and paste and post on our Instagram page or wherever you need it. So there you go. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a comment and tell me if it was helpful to you. And also don't forget, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. See you. Bye.